It's double trouble for Mahua Moitra after advocate Anant Dehadrai had complained to the CBI and the Home Ministry that she was allegedly illegally spying on him. Today, the Apex Court has refused to stay her expulsion from the Lok Sabha. The Solicitor General had argued that the Supreme Court can't interfere in a decision by the Parliament taken to maintain internal security. After this, the Supreme Court said it will examine the matter of its jurisdiction on this issue. Despite a plea for an early date, the Supreme Court has set the date for second week of March. When asked Mahua's party, the TMC is tight-lipped over the issue. This is what they said.
It's a matter of Supreme Court and applicant Mahua Moitra. One should not comment on this matter because it is entirety. It is now when Supreme Court says we will examine about the legal tenets about how to proceed, then no one else should comment on this thing.
Meanwhile, lawyer Anant Dehadrai has made another sensational charge against Mahua in a letter addressed to both CBI Chief and Home Minister Amit Shah. Dehadrai has made some explosive allegations. He claims that Mahua has been illicitly monitoring his activities and that she has been doing so in cahoots with some senior police officers in West Bengal. In a letter dated December 29th, Dehadrai accuses Mahua Moitra of potentially tracking his physical location through his phone number. He claims that not only did she stalk her ex-boyfriend, but also the woman he was seeing. So there are several allegations that Dehadrai has made in this letter, and the response so far from Mahua Moitra has been far from direct. Let's go to the other part of this letter. In fact, you can see the excerpts there. Mahua Moitra in her response has branded Anant Dehadrai as a loser, jilted ex. She urged the MHA to appoint a special CBI director to probe all complaints filed by her jilted exes across India. She said that Dehadrai had marked his complaint to all peeping toms. To this, Dehadrai has retorted by saying that the fight may be difficult, but he will not back off.
सर, आपके एलिगेशंस हैं कि महुआ मित्रा सर्विलांस जो है आपका कॉल डिटेल्स निकलवा रही हैं बंगाल पुलिस अफसरों की मदद से। सर, क्या कहेंगे?
मेरा भी कुछ कहना गलत होगा इसमें, क्योंकि मामला अभी सब जुडिस है और कंप्लेंट मैंने सीबीआई को दे दी है। लेकिन ये इशू बहुत ही सीरियस है और इसमें कई लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, और जिनके खिलाफ मैंने कंप्लेंट की है उनके साथ कोई उड़ीसा के भी हैं जो उनको सपोर्ट और फाइनेंस कर रहे हैं। तो ये फाइट थोड़ी सी डेंजरस है, लेकिन मैं हटने वाला नहीं हूँ।
TMC has hit out at Dehadrai saying that he is being backed by the BJP.
I understand he is being supported by BJP. And in BJP has lots of friends and they have taken up his case. No one will believe in present day India that a person supported, sheltered and encouraged by BJP central, who are running the central government, against whom that other people can snooping in their phone or do something like tapping their phone. It's a preposterous allegation.
The BJP says that Mahua Moitra must be thoroughly investigated since the charge of illegal surveillance by misusing state police is quite serious.
देखिए, ये जो कॉम्प्लेन है महुआ मोइत्रा के खिलाफ, इसका जांच पड़ताल होना चाहिए। कारण महुआ मोइत्रा ने पहले जो कारनामा दिखाया उससे इनका ऊपर भरोसा करना बहुत खतरनाक है और इसीलिए इस विषय का भी जांच होना चाहिए।
Bhavtosh Singh now joining us for more on this. Bhavtosh, this charge of illegal surveillance is quite a serious one.
Yes, Pranesh, in fact, it's a very serious charge. Jay Dehadrai had written a letter on 29th of December, which was marked both to the director CBI as well as to the Union Home Minister. A serious charge that was leveled was 1A, that he claimed that it could be possible that alleged stalking was done, and the second charge that he had leveled was that one of her Mahua Moitra's former friends, his ex-partner was also put under surveillance. Now, the 5-page letter that Mahua Moitra, the 5-page letter that was written by Anant Dehadrai had given specific instances. That was in fact written, mentioned an incident that happened in 2019, which was in fact a surveillance that was carried out at the behest of West Bengal police officers. Now, exactly what happened or whether this incident happened can only be verified and by the Central Probe Agency, that is CBI in this case. Now, we are not saying that what Judge Dehadrai had said is actually true. It's also clear, Pranesh, that there is a preliminary inquiry that is being carried out by CBI on a reference note that was given by the Lokpal. Whether this falls in the bad category or whether CBI ordered a separate probe.
So a probe will ascertain what happens next. Bhavtosh, thanks for your information. Legal editor Harish Nair also with us. On the other setback to Mahua Moitra, the disqualification plea in the Supreme Court. Harish.
Yes, that's right, Pranesh. In fact, Mahua Moitra's petition challenging the expulsion from Lok Sabha was being heard by the Supreme Court. What came as a setback for Mahua Moitra, though the Supreme Court has issued notice to the Lok Sabha Secretariat and has sought its view, is that the Supreme Court, despite vehement requests from the senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who had appeared for Mahua Moitra, did not grant a stay till the Supreme Court finally decided her petition challenging her expulsion from Lok Sabha in connection with the Cash for Curry case. And also, the second setback is that the Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing. The next date of hearing is in March week, starting March 2nd week. And on this also, Abhishek Singhvi requested that she be given an early date, saying that in case she is found clean, she comes out clean and expulsion is revoked by the Supreme Court, she can at least attend the budget session of the Parliament. So in a way, two setbacks for this Mahua Moitra in the same case. One, that the Supreme Court refused to stay the expulsion. Number two, she has been given a long date. The next date of hearing is...
Let's see what happens in the next date of hearing. Harish, thanks for your update. Taking a quick break, viewers. Lots more lined up on Times Now. Please stay with us.